Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Brookhaven is a role-play game on Roblox where you create everyday stories. You explore houses, drive vehicles, and pick jobs for characters. The game supports both public lobbies and private servers you can join. Players customize their avatars using the avatar editor in Roblox. In-game menus also let you change clothing and accessories quickly during sessions. Social interaction and roleplay drive most gameplay choices for players seeking creative scenarios. To change outfits, start by opening the avatar editor on Roblox before joining Brookhaven. Choose outfits, accessories, or animations from the editor and save them to your profile. Alternatively, open Brookhaven's in-game clothing menu after spawning in a house. Select saved outfits, default shirts, pants, or accessories, and apply them instantly. You can save up to 5 quick outfits in the Avatars tab for faster swaps. Swapping during roleplay takes about 3 to 5 seconds. When using saved outfits, use a private server to test outfits and practice roleplay without strangers nearby. Layer shirts, pants, and accessories to craft unique looks you cannot buy in one click. Save favorite outfits to the Avatars tab to switch in seconds during active sessions. Adjust chat filters and friend permissions to keep interactions safe and appropriate for your age. Report abusive players immediately and mute disruptive accounts to preserve roleplay continuity and enjoyment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.